At Clearfield, we're investing in innovation for the future of fiber. That's why we partnered with the BILT app to make installation faster, easier, and with fewer installation errors than ever before. Every second counts when installing fiber optic networks, and so does every step of the process. But without optimal instructions, ineffective installation processes can impact your network. Lack of internet access, missing documents, confusing instructions, and other obstacles slow down even the best technicians. At Clearfield, we've got you covered with the BILT app. This is the ultimate solution to help technicians overcome obstacles and ensure smooth installation of Clearfield products anywhere in the network. Whether you're building a frame in a remote location, splicing in one of our fiber distribution hubs in the outside plant, or installing service at a customer with one of our home deployment kits, the BILT app provides step-by-step 3D instructions, all accessible on your phone, without missing a beat. Let us help you take the speed of fiber deployment to the next level. Download BILT for a faster, easier setup.